Yeah, how the devil are you? Why you're Anyway, so just a quick one today. I'm going to show you how to change the cartridge in this Epson XP-8500. So I'm just going to switch it on, and it should give me a warning message now that I've got ink low. Give it a chance to come on. There you go. And it's telling me that I need magenta. Now I've just replaced the Cyan, I think it's pronounced. Whoop. I just Cyan cartridge, so that's full. So now I want to replace the magenta. Now I will tell you, I am not using genuine cartridges. I'm using these ones here called Kingway, I think they're called. They work pretty well. You will get some warning messages on your PC when you try and use them. You're not using genuine cartridges, but these work fine and they're much cheaper. So I'm just going to cut this open now. And take that out of its packaging there. Okay, leave it there for a second. Now I'm going to click next on here. And it says, yes, replace now. And you have got a how-to here, but obviously you don't need that because you're watching this video. Click next, okay, and you want to start it. So what I'm going to do now is just open up the top. And you see these ink cartridges here. When I click start, it should push them back, which will allow me to take them out. There you go, you see them pop back then. So now I'm able to take whatever cartridge I need to refill, which is the magenta one I'm going to be doing. Just going to change my camera angle a second. There we are, that's better, you can see what I'm doing now. So I want to take the magenta out. So there's a little switch here, which you push back. It flicks it up and just slots out. Easy peasy. I'll pop that in there a second, okay. Okay, so I got the cartridge here, magenta. I'm just going to click off the cap, this here. Just make it get it in view there. Click that off there, and I'm going to keep that and put that on the old one so I don't get ink all over the place. Okay, make sure you don't touch this bottom part here because that's where all the ink is. So you want to have it facing that way, okay. So you want to have that little bit there facing that way. Pop it in at an angle. Like that. So it's at an angle there, push it in and it clicks. So what I'm going to do is pop this is the old cartridge here. I'm going to stick that on there, and then just so I don't get ink on I already got ink on my hand there, look at it, there we go, okay. And that stops the ink going everywhere then, and I can chuck that away. So let's pop the lid back down. And all you do then is click completed. And there we are, it's coming up with an error message now saying, it looks like you are using non-genuine ink cartridges. Let's see what it says. Did you know that Epson ink and paper has been specially designed to work with your Epson print? Blah, blah, blah. Next. Yes, use. Okay, and okay. And that's all done. That's how easy it is. Okay, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like. Okay, don't forget, give it that little bell a little tinkle. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Ink on the finger.